Hello traders, welcome to our channel, The Scalpers. In this video, we'll show you one of the strategy which works very well. So every day you will see the candles are forming like this. Let's say this is a red candle, red candle, red candle and red candle. Then one green candle will form, then a red candle, red candle. So like this it may used to go in this momentum, or certainly there are chances like it will be forming a red candle, very big red candle, and then small candles, and then it will start its momentum like in upward direction. So in this strategy we'll understand how to trade in this big candle and how to take the profit. So let's discuss on Jaidus Wellness Limited. So here in this trade, if you see, this went in a big candle, and in this we can see this is the 50% retracement. The strategy says in case one one trade goes below 50% of the main candle, which forms in a single time frame, then it has to come and reach to its almost the opening, closing, or little bit nearby areas. So this is the area where you have to book the profit. What you have to do, it's like once this position is breaked, so where it break. So now if you take a position here, keep a target stop loss here, and if you have some more money, or you can go for stop loss of these areas, then you can go, and you will see that once it cross again this label, then it will flow towards downwards where it will touch these labels. Okay, so this is one of the trade. The second, if I see the Dabur. So in Dabur also it has, see it has formed a big candle. Okay, then red candle. The moment green candle forms, will start its retracement. So this is the 50% retracement, and once it crossed the 50% retracement, see it started its momentum and it touched the high. Yeah. So the third one is the Infosys. Now Infosys also, if you see, it makes a single candle, a big candle. When it crossed this 50% retracement from here, see it came down, boom, and it touched its low also. But our target would be first this one. Then in case you have some quantities, then you can go for a trail, or you can exit out whenever it cross above. So next one is UPL. So in UPL also, what we can see, the green candle starts from here, here, then it went till here. So now if I put a retracement, and this will become a 50%. Once this 50% comes down, see it will touch our low. See this label is our low, which I have told. So it will touch. Then the last stock we'll discuss on the Tata Steel. Now in Tata Steel, if you can see one, two, three red candles, that means if we put a retracement, if we put a Fibonacci here, so we can see it has not able to touch the 50%, which is here. So now in this case, if we take a sell position on the below, like this, we would take a sell position here, and we will put the stop loss on the 50%, and we'll see where 1:1 is coming. We'll definitely get it. So this is the 1%, 1:1. So see, risk reward became 1. So in those cases you can go for because the trend is downwards, and you are taking a position on the low of a first retracement, so you will achieve your target. So that's it from me. Thank you.